What's up, Kavari crew? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do kind of like a little pamper routine slash nighttime routine. I've had a long day. I've honestly had a long week. Mel and I feel like we've been like all over the place. We just uploaded our gender reveal today and we worked on that for a few days. So I'm just ready to like relax, decompress. That tripod in the back is making me mad. Is that Nala? Is that my cat? Is that my little tiger? Do you guys see her? Hold on, let me go move this tripod because it's like pissing me off. I honestly don't know what it is, but no matter how much water I drink, I am severely thirsty. I feel so dehydrated. I don't know what to do. Like I keep drinking water more and more, but I can't help it. Like I've really drank like 3 of these and I'm still so thirsty. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I want to take you guys through a little pamper nighttime routine. I obviously don't do this every single night because like who has the time, but I have a little bit of extra time tonight, so I want to like wash my hair, do a little bit extra with my skincare and stuff like that. So first things first, I need to change into a robe. You guys know I'm the queen of robes, so I'm gonna go pop one on right now. Should I do that corny little snap transition? Hold on, I'm gonna do it. Ready? And there we go, we're in our robe. We are super cozy right now. So I'm actually gonna start off this night by taking a shower, and the shampoo and conditioner I'm gonna be using is my Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner. Now I'm so excited to share these shampoo and conditioners with you guys, and hold up, I just realized I matched my robe to my shampoo and conditioner. I did not do that on purpose, but so cute. But I'm so excited to talk to you guys about this shampoo and conditioner. I mean, you guys can see I've used quite a bit of it already. I've been using this shampoo and conditioner for over a month now, and I'm such a big fan, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I am in partnership with Function of Beauty, being totally transparent. I am being sponsored by them, but I would be talking about this shampoo and conditioner even if I wasn't. Like, I truly love these products. So if you guys aren't familiar with Function of Beauty, they create a custom shampoo and conditioner specific for your hair type. So they're all about having a unique formula for your unique hair type. All you do is go online and take a quick 2-minute quiz, and you outline your hair type, your hair goals, your preferences. You can even go so custom into picking the fragrance you want for your shampoo and conditioner, how strong you want the fragrance to be, as well as the color. So I picked this really pretty blue, but they have a bunch of different colors to choose from, and for my scent I picked nude peach. You guys know I love peaches, so when I saw they have a peach scented one, I was like, girl, sign me up. And you can even put your name on the bottle as well. So mine says Function of Nazanin, so you can put literally anything you want on the bottle. And it's also really cool because they come with pumps. You don't have to use the pumps, but they do come with them. So of course I pop them on right away. So the products contain no parabens, sulfates, GMOs, toxins, any of that icky stuff. They're 100% vegan and cruelty free. So I love the fact that the brand is so animal friendly. And again, I'll put a link down below for you guys to check out Function of Beauty, and you guys can get 20% off. So again, I'll put a link to that down below, and you guys can take your 2-minute quiz and just fill out all these fun questions about your hair. It's like super simple. It's like, is your hair wavy, curly, straight? You know, just simple questions like that. So I'll put a link to that down below, and I'm gonna go hop into the shower. So I'm actually not gonna shave or exfoliate because I got a spray tan the other day. I don't know if you guys can tell, your girl is nice and golden. So what was that move? I was like, your girl is nice and golden. Like, what was that? So I get my spray tans professionally done if I'm getting it specifically for an event or a photo shoot or for a specific reason. If I'm just tanning just to be tan, I'll go ahead and do it at home because it's just so much quicker. The tan that I get done professionally, I get the rapid one, and even that takes 6 hours to develop. If I'm just doing it at home, I need a quick tan. This is the one I use. This is the Loving Tan 2 Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in dark. Now, I've been using Loving Tan for years now. I remember being like a sophomore in high school and using this tan. Back in the day, you can only order it online and it was shipped all the way from Australia, so it sucked having to wait for it to deliver. But now they carry it in Ulta stores, which is really great. And I also just use the mitt with it. So again, this develops in 2 hours. I'll just quickly, you know, pump it on here, rub it on, let it develop for 2 hours, and I'm nice and golden. So I really recommend this one if you guys need a good at-home tan. Even though my hair is looking really good. This is like third day hair. See, when you take good care of your hair takes care of you. Some other steps that I take in my beauty pamper routine aside from tanning is getting a facial. You guys know I love getting facials. I've been going to 7Q Spa I literally started going there when I was like 17, so I've been going there for like 3-4 years now, and I get the hydrofacial there. So it's in Glendale if you guys live in LA, and I go about once a month and I get the hydrofacial. I got that done about 2 days ago. Now, I'm not like showing all of my pamper stuff in one day because truthfully speaking, I don't do it all in one day. That's a lot to do in one day, and especially when I'm going to like salons and professionals for these appointments, very rarely can you do everything in the same day. So this is kind of like the span of the past like 2-3 days. Like my beauty routine takes like 2-3 days. Also, a few days ago, I got a lash lift. Now, I don't know where I've been. I know I got a lash lift years and years ago. You guys saw that over on like our old vlog channel, but I really didn't like it. I didn't like the place I went, but I went to a different place this time years later. It was so much more comfortable. It was a lot less painful. Like you should not be in pain when you're getting a lash lift, and I was in pain last time I got it. So this last time I went to the BlinkBar over in Sherman Oaks, and I got my lash lift. It was honestly a game changer. I naturally have, not trying to toot my own horn here, but I naturally have really nice eyelashes, but I'm, you know, sometimes I want like lash extensions, but I don't want to risk, you know, ruining my eyelashes. Sometimes like the look of not having any lashes and just having them like curled. So getting a lash lift basically just kind of like permanently curls your eyebrows and gets them to stand like basically straight up. It looks so good. I've gotten so many compliments on my lashes since I got the lash lift. It really just enhances your natural lashes. Nala decided to go in her litter box while I'm filming this. But yeah, I got my lash lift the other day and I love it. I honestly love it so much. I definitely want to get them consistently, like I think they said I have to get them done like every 6 to 8 weeks, I believe, but I'm definitely do that. So yeah, so I got my facial, I got my spray tan, I got my lash lift, and then also, I just realized how high up I just put this. What am I doing? And then also, can't forget about nails. So I'm so simple with my nails. I'm not one of those girls that does acrylics and, you know, all these different designs. Nala! Let's just wait for her to finish. Cat mom life. By the way, I know I'm gonna get comments. Oh my gosh. When I announced my pregnancy, I swear my top comment was like, don't change Nala's litter, don't change Nala's litter. Guys, I promise you, I have not touched her litter box since I've gotten pregnant. That smell cleans it every single day, so we're good, we're safe. It's in a well-ventilated area. We're good, okay? Nails. I'm very, very simple with my nails, but I still get a lot of questions about them. I get SNS dip powder, so they just dip your finger in the powder, and I always do white. Always. Sometimes I'll do like a baby nude light pink if I'm feeling frisky, but I always just keep it white and simple. These are my natural nails. I don't do any acrylics or anything like that. And for my nail shape, I had to cut them short this time, but I usually like a medium length, like square with tapered in edges. Yeah, I just showed you guys everything I did the past few days, and now we can get on to pampering some more tonight. I'm getting so tired, you guys. So, you guys saw I took my shower, did a quick blow dry, and straightened my hair. So it's just like ready for the week, and I don't really have to like style it. So now we just need to like finish up my skincare routine, and then I'm ready for bed. I am just going to do a pore strip on my nose. So the ones I've been loving, I actually got off of Amazon, and I picked these over, I feel like the camera's too high all of a sudden. I picked these over, you know, like the really popular ones, because these came in a pack of 34. So yeah, these again, they're from the brand Jolvka. Again, they come in a huge pack of 34, which I love because I like to use these about once every 2 weeks. And they are really great. I mean, use them just like any other pore strip, and they get a lot of gunk out. I'm always posting them on my stories, and you guys are like, oh my god, do you do something special? Like, how do you get so many blackheads out? I don't have to do anything special, you guys. That's like my biggest problem area is my nose. No matter what I use, no matter how good I take care of my skin, I forever will just have clogged pores on my nose. Like, I just have blackheads on my nose, and that's something I have to deal with for the rest of my life. But they're just like a little pore strip like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dampen my nose and pop this on for like 15 minutes. I feel like because I waited after my shower to put this on, it's not gonna do as well. The best is to do it like directly. You stepped out of the shower, like a hot steamy shower, and then popping this on. That's like the prime time to do it. But I am honestly the most simple person when it comes to skincare. I really found, you guys know I've struggled with really bad skin issues in the past. Like I had severe acne, like I had the whole shebang, texture, all that stuff. When I really just purged my skincare routine and stopped using random products on my face all the time, my skin is better than ever. Like even before I got pregnant, like pregnancy really did give me like a glow, but before that even, my skin got so much better just because I stopped using random shit on my face. So I just keep to the basics. I keep with what I know, and I don't like to switch up my skincare routine at all. So I'm not going to do some random sheet mask right now or a random clay mask or anything that I got in PR, because I don't use that stuff. Like just being completely honest, when I get skincare in PR, just because I'm so picky with the products that I use, most of the time it just goes straight to the giveaway pile, and I give it to someone who's going to appreciate it a lot more than I do. So for my nighttime skincare routine, what I've been using right now is I've been mixing the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream moisturizer. I like this a lot because it's really thick, so I only like to use this at night. And I actually used this in high school, and I really liked it, so that's why I trust this product. I know it's not going to give me issues. So I take this and I squirt a little bit of Inno Aesthetics Skin Repair. Like I just don't know where you can buy this online, because I purchased this from 7Q Spa. This is like medical grade skincare. So this isn't really like a moisturizer, but again, it's just like, it's called Skin Repair. I really feel like it just does that. My esthetician, she applies this to my skin after facials just to like calm down the redness and calm down my face. So once I take this pore strip off, I'm just going to mix a little bit of these two, apply it all over my skin, and then I always apply eye cream at night. Applying eye cream at night is way more beneficial in the morning because you're letting it sink into your skin all night. So it's really great to use your eye cream every night. And I just use the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, my favorite. This is like an OG. I feel like everybody loves this stuff on Instagram and YouTube. So now, of course, we need to brush our teeth. So the toothbrush and toothpaste I use, I showed this on Instagram a long time ago, but I love this toothbrush from Vanity Planet. I actually bought this for everyone in my family. Like my parents now use it, my brother, like Mel. I don't know if Yasmin has it yet, but I'm gonna get it for her. But I love this toothbrush and I have a huge discount code for it. I'll put it in the comment section if I can find it. But this toothbrush is from Vanity Planet and it's amazing. It has a bunch of different settings. It's not mechanical, it's a like vibrating electric toothbrush, so I really feel like it gives you a better clean. And the base, hold on, let me unplug it. So the base that it comes with, it has a little UV pod right here. So after I brush my teeth, I take the head off, I pop it in here and I close it, and it turns on when it's plugged in, and it sanitizes your toothbrush head, which is freaking amazing. So I like to just keep that in there when I'm not using it. And the toothpaste that I love is the Colgate Optic White, the red tube. As long as it's in a red tube from Colgate, like I just know it's gonna do a good job. And then for mouthwash, the mouthwash I've been loving lately is the TheraBreath. I wasn't even using mouthwash until I got pregnant, because you guys saw my like pregnancy symptoms video. I feel like maybe I'm just more sensitive to smell, but I feel like my breath just smelled a lot more now that I'm pregnant. So it is the TheraBreath oral rinse. This stuff is really good. It doesn't burn your mouth. I use it every morning and night. I'm sure you guys expected this pamper routine to be like bunch of different products, bunch of different steps, but I honestly feel like I'm a really simple girl. I don't like too many products. I get stressed out. I don't like hoarding products. If I know I'm never going to use that product, I'm not going to keep it in my drawers or my cabinet. Like I know a lot of beauty gurus and people who do lifestyle and beauty videos like I do, they have like rooms and cabinets just filled to the brim with products. And I could have that, but I just choose to purge everything and donate and just give it in giveaways and just give all that stuff away, because I just know I'm going to use it once and never use it again. I thought like just being like a beauty guru and stuff, I needed 1,000,001 products to be a beauty guru. You really don't. You really don't. You know what I mean? So let me show you guys what I use. I have to go to this bottom drawer. Let me show you guys what I use if I want to whiten my teeth at home. I don't do this often because I just don't want to hurt my teeth. Not that this will do that, but I feel like my Colgate toothpaste does a pretty good job. But let's say before a photo shoot or an event, I want to just whiten my teeth real quick. I'll use my High Smile teeth whitening kit. I've talked about this on Instagram as well. And it literally just has a little light. You pop in the gel, you just put it in your mouth for 10 minutes. There you go, your teeth are white. So I really like this for an at-home teeth whitening kit if you guys are looking for one. So again, it's called High Smile. I'm gonna let this keep pulling all the gunk out of my nose, show you guys what it looks like. And I'm gonna insert a clip once I take it off to show you guys like how much this pore strip actually gets out of my nose. But that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below. Don't forget to check out Function of Beauty down below. It's such a great hair care brand. Like, how many hair care brands do you know can customize shampoo and conditioner for you? I just absolutely love that, and it's so cool, and it makes my hair so shiny, so silky. So make sure you guys check that out down below, and I'll see you guys for my next video. Bye guys.